Hey there, John from B2Web, and this video is going to give you a bird's eye overview of the Profits theme and looking behind at the dashboard and how you set this theme up. Profits theme is a really good landing page and membership website creator. I'm not going to go into how to create a membership site, but I'll show you how you can create landing pages. And what we're looking at here is one of my landing pages. It's called a squeeze page by some, and as you can see, it's very simple, but I think it looks really good. And frankly, I really didn't do any customized design here. This is pretty much a default design created by Profits theme. So this is a two-column, obviously. So let's get started. Going in the dashboard, when you install the Profits theme, you're going to end up with this Profits theme menu option here, and this is where you're going to do most of your work. And we'll start here under the site options. So this is where I go to when I first install Profits theme. When you do, you're going to be asked to input a license key, which you'll be provided upon purchase. So you have a lot of options here. I really only deal with one page here, and that's on this page, the general settings. And really all I did here is I changed the footer to just put a copyright. You can add links to various pages in your footer right here using basic HTML. Here you have, it tells you how to format your code right there. It's pretty simple. And the other thing I do is I go to design options right out of the gates here, and I like to go to header and set up I just upload a custom logo so that people know when they show up to my landing pages they're dealing with B2Web, which is my logo and brand. So that's what I do to get it started. After that, I create a page. You can create a page two ways. You can go to the add the page, and so it looks just like your usual add a page. And then you have on the left here these templates, and you can choose Profits theme, different templates. You can choose a landing page if you like, and what that does is it will provide you essentially what Profits theme does is it's a drag and drop landing page technology that you create your landing page here. So you by default will have page settings and header settings, and then you'll have a headline, and this is set up as a two-column, but we can easily change that to a one-column. All you have to do is you drag this out of there and you change your page settings, and right now it's 820 wide with a 300 wide right column. We could change that right column to 0, and we create a single full width page. But if you want your opt-in box there, then obviously you want to keep your opt-in box in the right column. And this is your headline. So the title you put up here, that's not going to show up on the page. Okay, you have to input all your titles under the heading. Oh, sorry about that. Headline, and that's going to be your headline text, which is this red bit right here. Now you can also put a pre-headline and a sub-headline right here, so we can do that, and essentially it operates a lot like widgets. So we'll go down here and we could grab a sub-headline, and you just move it up here and you open it up and you put it in. You can change the color, you can change the font, you can do a bunch of customization, which is pretty cool. And then you have your pre-headline if you want to add a pre-headline, and again you just open it up, type in your pre-headline, customize it however you like, hit done, and you're done. Always also do an update or a publish or a save draft when you make these changes so that they stick. Your main content, you can customize the text font and the size there, but you're actually going to write the main content, which would be this part, these bullet points right here. And then it has like testimonial options, which is cool, makes these cool nice boxes for you. And then of course the opt-in forms are all done for you. But let's look at the opt-in forms, because you can totally customize how those are set out, and that's really cool. You got all sorts of options here. You can change them all. You're just gonna have to play around with them and see which one you like. You put your autoresponder code here. I put in the raw HTML. You can add an e-cover image if you like, and you can input your instructions. Lots of ways to customize your opt-in box. That's what I really like about Profit's theme. But most of all, what I like is the graphics. The graphics that are built in, you don't have to upload images. It's all done for you. That's what I really like about it. And of course, this drag and drop setup is just so simple. So once you customize your opt-in box the way you want it, you hit done, and your opt-in box is ready to go. So look at our visual editor. We got some additional items here that you don't normally see in the WordPress editor, and really what I use a lot are these arrows and the check marks, and once in a while an X. But you have other options as well, like you can create different boxes, and so that didn't work. A slight technical difficulty. It's nothing to do with Profit's theme. It has to do with my internet connection. So you can insert a box, and you get all these different boxes that they present visually, and so that's really cool. And you can just click it, and you can change your width and all that, and there we go. Look at that. It's really great. And then let's say you wanted to add bullet points. You could go like that, go like that, and so forth. So there you go. You get the nice looking bullet points as well. And then you have the insert sales graphics. Now, right now mine don't show up because it's a whole separate file that you'll add. You can upload into your website via your website host, and you'll get more sales graphics. Frankly, I didn't bother using them just because what comes with the theme as is worked just fine for me. But they are there if you want them. You're going to actually get a whole whack of additional graphics set out in separate zip files that you can upload, and that way you have a lot more graphics to show. But you do have button options. Again, these are a separate graphics file that you can add, so you'll get a lot more button images. Now, here's the deal. The reason I didn't add any of those is because as fast as building a squeeze page or landing page with this method, which is the add page and selecting the landing page template, there's a much faster way, which is the way I used it. And what I do there is you actually go to Profit's theme page generator, and this is really cool. Profit's has pre-formatted landing pages for all different types of landing pages. You've got squeeze pages, sales pages, product launch, membership pages, the legal pages, the privacy disclaimer, and it's pre-written too. It's amazing. And you have all your other pages. You've got a confirmation page, thanks, download page, and the content's all written there. I mean, you can easily revise it to suit what you want to say, but essentially it's laid out for you, and it's fantastic. And this is the fast way to create some really great looking squeeze pages. So let's do a text 2-column, and you generate it. So it'll create a new page. And there it shows up right here. We're going to change that title because it doesn't really tell us anything. Then we would just call it a test. And so here it is. You've got the text preloaded. Of course, we can change this. And then you got your bullet points there. We've already got headline added here. Of course, we're going to want to change the headline title. We've got our opt-in form pre-formatted already, and you can add other elements if you like. So let's take a look at these other elements. You've got an add to cart option here. Now this is a squeeze page, so we probably wouldn't do that, but we could easily add an add to cart button. And you get all these buttons here. This is why I never really felt like I needed any additional buttons. You can dictate all of that, but we won't do that. And we'll hit done. And you have fake video option, commenting, advanced video. You can even add widgets into the sidebar portion, single image, social buttons, and so forth. So that's all added. And that essentially builds a squeeze page for you. I use this 2-column text squeeze page to create this landing page, and I built this very, very quickly. You can see the testimonials. I did insert a testimonial box there. That's really the only fancy stuff I did here. If you create a sales page, that's really cool. It's going to have a lot more content for you. We'll just do sales page 1. I've created some of these too, and it's just amazing. It's basically just go in and tweak the text and you'll have a sales page ready to go. Check this out. It's all in there. Now you're going to want to redo much of your text. You're going to obviously want to customize that. But here's what I like about it. It has these pre-made boxes and tells you what to put in those boxes. And you've got this satisfaction guaranteed thing. Then there's more, and you've got bonus boxes. And you've got your whole add to cart button laid out. So when I used this page generator, I didn't have to upload the special buttons and the other graphics, because using the page generator I had them all built in, so it was great. You got your testimonial boxes, you got your PS. So look at that, a whole sales page is done for you. So Profits theme is great. It's highly flexible because even with the pre-made pages, you can fully customize it with your drag and drop elements that you just place in the various parts of your pages. Or if you just want to build from scratch, you just do an add new page, pick a landing page, and just build up your theme. Sorry, not your theme, your squeeze page, your sales page, or whatever type of landing page you're making, and you can build it up from scratch. It's done very quickly. I've built probably 15, 20 landing pages with Profits so far. The first time you use it, it's a little bit slow going, but once you build a few pages, you'll be able to do it very, very quickly, and you'll discover new little tricks and elements and features and so forth that are great. So that's a bird's eye overview of the Profits theme and how it works and how you build sales and landing pages with this theme. Again, it has a whole membership portal and sales funnel options. That's more complex to set up. I'm not going to cover that. I don't even have a membership site at this point, so I haven't had to go through and do that. Most people buy Profits theme to build squeeze and sales pages, and for that it's ideal. So hope you enjoyed the video, and hope it informs you about what exactly how this theme works and what it offers.